Let me show you how I made these pumpkin cinnamon roll pancakes with honey cinnamon butter. Everything about these pancakes screamed fall. I swear I felt like it was already fall. They're just so perfect. This recipe calls for buttermilk, but if you don't have it, add milk with either lemon juice or vinegar. Stir and let sit for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, you're going to add some butter, some honey, some cinnamon, and vanilla extract. You're going to want to just stir this. This is going to be your honey cinnamon butter. I'm just going to place this in the fridge until I'm ready to use. In a separate bowl, I'm adding some flour, brown sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, which is optional, but I added it. Whisk all that and set that aside. In another bowl, add the buttermilk, pumpkin puree, your egg, some melted but slightly cooled butter, and some vanilla extract. Whisk all that together. If you don't have one of these whisks, you gotta have it. It's a must. It breaks up the egg so good. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and you're gonna whisk this. Don't overmix. At this point, let your batter sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. This is gonna allow the baking powder to work its magic, and in return, you're gonna get light, fluffy, and delicious pancakes. For the cinnamon swirl, we're adding some butter, which has been softened, some sugar, cinnamon, and adding some of that pumpkin pancake batter. Stir this, add it to a piping bag. Just snip off the bottom a little bit, and you've got your cinnamon swirl. Our pancake batter is ready. I have my heat set on a medium. You gotta add that butter so you can get those crisp edges. Just add your batter, make your cinnamon swirl. You're gonna wait 2 minutes, flip it. Look at all that butter. And then wait another 2 minutes, flip it, and this pancake is done. I'm just gonna finish with the rest. After they're done, I topped it with my honey cinnamon butter. Drizzle on that maple syrup, or use whatever syrup you want. I think it really goes good with maple syrup. These pancakes were just heaven. You could just see how nice and fluffy they are. I really loved those crisp edges too. My goodness, these are amazing. They are nice and fluffy and have all that pumpkin and that cinnamon swirl. You can totally taste it. They're so good. So good. I gotta go get a drink. This is all I found. I had to take some time out to finish these pancakes. Enjoy.